If you're a specifying engineer and you're looking for a simple and effective way to deliver dry and cold ventilation air to cold rooms in a single packaged machine, the AG1000 is your machine. It's manufactured right here by Airgreen in Delaware. Watch this video to learn more.
The key feature and benefit of this innovative solution is its simplicity. This fully engineered DOAS system is a once-through makeup air system that meets the supply air temperature and dew point requirements and essentially replaces 4 or 5 different pieces of equipment that would be ordinarily cobbled together to get the same results.
The AG1000 low temperature brine product can bring the outdoor air down to very low temperatures in a single pass without multiple equipments.
The application for the AG1000 is extensive. It can be used anywhere from pharmaceutical to healthcare, manufacturing, food processing, hazardous material storage. If you're looking for a simple, packaged, pre-engineered solution for low dew point ventilation, contact your local BMIL representative.
The AG1000 takes outside air at conditions like 95, 78 and can bring it down to temperatures to supply to a cold room in the range of the upper 30s with dew points in the upper 20s. What the AG1000 does is we use brine to refrigerate an airstream. When we use brine to refrigerate this airstream, we don't need defrost cycles. And the brine naturally gives us a 10-degree dew point suppression. In this unit, which is being manufactured here at Airgreen in Delaware, I can show you the section where we refrigerate the air. This is a brine tank. Refrigerated brine will go through a media. The media will have an outside air stream passing through it. That brine meets the air in the media, dehumidifies, and refrigerates the air. Where's that cooling coming from? Let's go over here. So the AG1000 gets its cooling and heating from this heat pump. This heat pump produces the refrigeration that refrigerates the brine that cools and dehumidifies the airstream in our refrigerator section. Then we use the heat from the compressor that did the refrigerating to in turn heat brine in a way to get rid of the water that's in the brine. As we're refrigerating the air with our brine, the brine takes moisture out of the air. That moisture that comes out of the air is transferred to this side, which is called the concentrator. What the concentrator does is takes water back out of the brine. How do we do that? We use waste heat from our compressor and we heat the brine. The media has an airstream traveling through it. It's outdoor air. We pass the outdoor air through this media with the warm brine, and the outdoor air takes water out of the brine, reconcentrating the brine. The warm airstream that is emitting the moisture back out of the unit is this right here. This is the AG1000 supply air connection. We take outdoor air at the other end of this unit, we refrigerate it and dehumidify it. On a 95, 78 day, we can deliver air in the upper 30s with a dew point temperature in the upper 20s. The Airgreen system is manufactured as a single component, doesn't need defrost cycles, consumes less energy, costs less for capital expenditure, costs less for installation, and delivers air in the 30s with dew points in the 20s. Contact BMIL at bmil.com. There's a contact page that you can fill out and we will get back to you with technical information.